ectoderm or skin and extraembryonic ectoderm as we go more laterally, and the somatic mesoderm underneath, and fold these two just like we did the neural folds. Near the edge, very near the edge, because you're going to need as much paper as you can get, just fold and then bring those together in the midline and tape again, or staple. This large flap of tissue made of both mesoderm and ectoderm is going to form the body wall of the embryo and be continuous with the amnion. As it comes around here and turns where we made the fold, it will become the chorion, which is another extraembryonic membrane. So the amnion, you can see, has the pink or mesoderm on the outside and the blue or ectoderm on the inside, whereas the chorion will have the blue ectoderm on the outside and the pink mesoderm on the inside. The next step is to make the gut. The gut forms from the endoderm on the bottom, attached to the splanchnic mesoderm overlying it. To make this, we're going to pull it down in the midline and staple it together. Make my staples in sort of a U shape here on the side so that I can cut a yolk stalk. So what I've just done is staple through the splanchnic mesoderm and the endoderm to create an extraembryonic layer that goes around the yolk. This is the yolk sac, again, whose inside next to the yolk is endodermal and whose outside is mesodermal, and a yolk stalk. To make the yolk stalk, I'm going to cut between my staples. To create the illusion that we have a tube going down to the sheet of extraembryonic tissue over the yolk. This, maybe I can use my other chopstick to point, this is the gut. So now I have the neural ectoderm in the midline, which is ectodermal, formed from the sheet attached to the skin on the top. The neural folds at the top where the neural crest migrate off, and attached to that the skin on the surface of the embryo. Underneath the skin and